This 2024 Alliance RV Valor 31T13 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Huntsville, Alabama 35816 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Huntsville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features a urban state interior, sleeps 5, slide-out, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, kitchen island, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.